नमस्कार। मैं प्रोफेसर डॉक्टर विवेक गुप्ता 2 नवंबर की शाम को 2020 आज का दिन काफी महत्वपूर्ण है अमेरिका के लिए, क्योंकि कल 3 नवंबर को चुनाव का रिजल्ट आ जाएगा रात तक। अब वो राष्ट्रपति का चुनाव के बारे में मुझे काफी इंटरेस्ट इसलिए है क्योंकि हमारे प्रधानमंत्री जी, यशस्वी प्रधानमंत्री नरेंद्र दामोदर दास मोदी जी ने 24 फरवरी को और फरवरी के 3rd वीक में भारत आए थे डोनाल्ड ट्रंप जी। When Mr. Donald Trump was here, तो उस समय कोरोना काल की शुरुआत थी, लेकिन nobody had expected that it will grow to that extent कि अभी तक कोरोना काल से अभी तक हम लोग को मुक्ति नहीं मिली है। अब ऐसे कंडीशन को देखते हुए Donald Trump is very important for the whole world because he is the president of USA. And USA is the 3rd most populous state of the world and the largest economy and superpower. We all know about that. There are a lot of foreign policies जो कि लिंक होती हैं, काफी फॉरेन पॉलिसी होती है जो लिंक होती हैं, जो इंटरनेशनल एरेना में इंपॉर्टेंट होती है। द होल वर्ल्ड इज गाइडेड बाय अमेरिका, चाहे यूनाइटेड नेशंस हो, चाहे कोविड-19 की वैक्सीन हो, चाहे इकोनॉमी की बात हो, चाहे क्लाइमेट चेंज की बात हो, एंड टू सम एक्सटेंट इंडियो पाकिस्तान रिलेशनशिप या चाइना की, जो इस समय सबसे इंपॉर्टेंट महत्वपूर्ण बात है, वो चाइना की क्या भूमिका रही है, चीन की क्या भूमिका रही है कोविड-19 में, इस पे भी काफी हो। अब तो आपको पता है सबको कि इस चुनाव में डेमोक्रेटिक पार्टी के रिप्रेजेंटेटिव हैं जो बिडेन, जो कि वाइस प्रेसिडेंट थे ड्यूरिंग द टाइम ऑफ बैरक ओबामा, और दूसरी पार्टी है रिपब्लिकन पार्टी, और रिपब्लिकन पार्टी के रिप्रेजेंटेटिव हैं मिस्टर डोनाल्ड ट्रंप, जो कि री इलेक्शन के लिए तैयार है। राष्ट्रपति चुनाव जो अमेरिका में होता है वो भारत से भिन्न है। इसमें कोई भी राष्ट्रपति 2 बार से ज्यादा चुनाव नहीं लड़ सकता, यानी कि आफ्टर सेकेंड टर्म नोबडी कैन गो फॉर द 3rd टर्म। एक तो ये बात है। यहाँ का राष्ट्रपति 4 साल के लिए चुना जाता है, भारत में प्रधानमंत्री जो कि हेड ऑफ द स्टेट होता है वो 5 साल के लिए चुना जाता है। बाकी कुछ पोलिंग प्रोसेस में डिफरेंट है। यहाँ पे एक ही दिन चुनाव होता है, जबकि चुनाव की प्रक्रिया ऑलरेडी शुरू हो चुकी है, और जो जहां तक अनुमान आज सुबह तक था, करीब 70% जो वोटिंग 2016 में हुई थी वो ऑलरेडी वोटिंग हो चुकी है, आइदर बाय ईमेल और बाय पोस्टल। कल शाम को 7 बजे कुछ स्टेट में अलग अलग टाइमिंग के हिसाब से चुनाव खत्म हो जाएंगे, उसके बाद काउंटिंग प्रोसेस शुरू होगी। अब जो हमारे 2 इंपॉर्टेंट लोग हैं डेमोक्रेट के, मिस्टर जो बिडेन और हमारे मिस्टर डोनाल्ड ट्रंप जो कि राष्ट्रपति हैं कंटिन्यूइंग, उसमें दोनों में थोड़ी भिन्नताएं हैं, काफी ज्यादा भिन्नताएं हैं। डोनाल्ड ट्रंप इज 74 ईयर ऑफ एज एंड ही वाज बोर्न इन 1946. मिस्टर जो बिडेन वाज बोर्न इन 1942. Mr. Donald Trump is current president of United States. Mr. Joe Biden was vice president during Barack Obama for 8 years. He has a huge experience. Mr. Donald Trump has been a businessman. He was a real estate owner and also star of a reality TV show. While Mr. Joe Biden was elected to the US Senate from the Delaware at the age of 29, has been re-elected 6 times in 1972. तो पॉलिटिकल एक्सपीरियंस मिस्टर जो बिडेन का काफी ज्यादा है, जबकि मिस्टर डोनाल्ड ट्रंप वाज एक्चुअली अ बिजनेसमैन. ही केम टू पॉलिटिक्स जस्ट बिफोर 2016 इलेक्शन एंड ही मैनेज्ड टू विन, एंड फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल ही वाज रिपब्लिकन पार्टी रिप्रेजेंटेटिव. तो ये 2 बातें हैं. जबकि वाइस प्रेसिडेंटली कौन कौन लड़ रहे हैं? वाइस प्रेसिडेंटली माइक पेंस, जो कि इस समय वाइस प्रेसिडेंट भी है ऑलरेडी इन द डोनाल्ड ट्रंप के राष्ट्रपति, जबकि वो उपराष्ट्रपति हैं. और डेमोक्रेटिक पार्टी से कमला हैरिस, हु इज इंडियन ओरिजिन, formerly Attorney General of California for 2 terms, and she is actually Indian origin American. Whether she will be able to take more of the help from the Indian people, क्योंकि इंडिया के जो वोटर्स हैं, जो इंडियन ओरिजिन के वोटर्स हैं, they are quite significant for this election. But Mr. Donald Trump popularity, especially when he came to India during February and he went to Agra, and I was on television on that day, and 24th February, when he was in Agra, actually this is my birthday also, so I was there on television to see what's going on. अमेरिका की वोटिंग किस तरह से होती है? There is how America votes. The process is the Constitution of the United States, America mandates that the president be elected on a electoral college currently comprising 538 members हैं election के. Popular vote actually counts. लेकिन the president candidate who wins the popular vote to the state picks up all the state election except in the main and which allows the electoral vote to split. Besides presidential election, cost of the election to 2020 का election है White House का, this is going to cost 14 billion US dollars. crore में मैं इसको अभी नहीं कह सकता, and which is a huge money. This is a record. This includes money spent by the candidates, parties and outside bodies, and does not include the expense incurred by the state governments. Joe Biden could become the first president. Joe Biden could become the first president nominee to raise 1 billion or more. So this is how it happens. America, हाउस इलेक्ट्रिकल वोट्स जो स्टैकिंग होती है, जो कि 270 बैटल ग्राउंड में 125 और 203. एज ऑफ नाउ 46% एग्जिट पोल हैज शोन 46% people are voting for Mr. Donald Trump, while 51% or 53% voting is being done for Mr. Joe Biden. What are the main issues in this election? COVID-19 has been the most important issue. Mr. Donald Trump ने सोचा भी नहीं होगा कि उनका इलेक्शन में COVID-19 will become the most important issue, because ये पता भी नहीं था कि 2020 पूरा जो है कोरोना काल हो जाएगा. Biden has made the Trump administration response to the epidemic the center of his campaign. तो जो बिडेन जो है, जहां तक बात, इनफैक्ट बैरक ओबामा ने ये बात की थी कि COVID-19 को बहुत ही खराब तरीके से अमेरिका ने संभाला या झेला. I believe in science. Donald Trump does not. This is that simple. This is what Joe Biden says, that he believes in science. Mr. Donald Trump does not believe in science. दूसरा मेन इशू है इकोनॉमी. The devastating impact of COVID-19 pandemic includes widespread closure and downsizing of business. An estimated 27 million jobs were lost between February and April. 27 million, यानी कि 2.7 crore jobs were lost during pandemic between February and April. Economy loss जो हुआ है is going to work against. Actually, economy was the most important factor on which Mr. Donald Trump was saying कि उन्होंने economy बढ़ा दी है. This was actually the most important point which Mr. Donald Trump was saying. The economy के देखें, the economy was his trump card. Actually, Donald Trump जो trump card था was the economy. Since his inauguration 4 years back, Donald Trump has been credited with jump starting the economy and have hit a record high. Many gains though were wiped out when the COVID struck. The national debt has galloped and poverty too has been increasing job losses. Trump's poor handling of the pandemic is impacting his re-election bid on November 3, with Joe Biden leading in the polls. When he was elected in 2016, actually the economy was at the highest, and he made some very important advance in the economy of US. लेकिन 2020 में सब कुछ खत्म हो गया and the economy is bad, and this is what is going to harm Mr. Trump. But only who knows who is going to win. That's going to be healthcare, national security. The other main issue, the 5 main issue हैं: COVID-19, economy, national security, healthcare, immigration and racism. तो मैं दूसरी पॉइंट, इकोनॉमी जो हमने कहा था, जो शुरू में डोनाल्ड ट्रम्प ने बढ़ाई, वो कोविड-19 ने बर्बाद कर दी. तो जो इनका एक ट्रम्प कार्ड था, डोनाल्ड ट्रम्प का जो ट्रम्प कार्ड था, was economy is now in very bad shape. National security. In the Gallup poll, alleged interference by China, Russia and Iran in the 2016 presidential election, through the spread of disinformation online, emerged as a concern. So national security was a concern, and that was in favor of Mr. Trump in 2016 election. Healthcare. Republicans want to repeal and replace the Affordable Care Act enacted by former President Barack Obama. The Supreme Court, जो Barack Obama ने कहा था ना, Obama health care was actually repealed, it was finished by the Republicans, that means Mr. Donald Trump. The Supreme Court is expected to hear a case soon after the elections. Soon after the elections, Obamacare will be heard by Supreme Court. Immigration. The flashpoint in Trump term has been his policy towards the undocumented immigrants, and the wall that he built along the border to Mexico is an attempt to keep them out. Mexico और अमेरिका के border जो Mexican wall बनाई, that's going to be, actually Mr. Trump was very hard on illegal immigrants, which was not the major issue with the Democrats, Mr. Barack Obama. This is going to be an issue. Race. The shooting of unnamed black civilian by policemen across the state led to several Black Lives Matter protests across the states. Trump likely raised tensions, referring to protestants as that he's racism. So the racism was a point which Mr. Joe Biden says that Mr. Trump is racist, and that's going to be a major point, and that has been a major point during the rallies. So this is how you explain this election, and who is going to win, we don't know. And there is a small news which is very interesting. The study says that 18 Trump rallies led to 30,000 COVID-19 infections. Top disease expert Mr. Fauci says Joe Biden is taking the virus more seriously, while Mr. Trump has taken the virus more lightly. This is what Mr. Fauci has said. The latest update जो मैं आज का बताना चाहता हूं, with less than 36 hours to go for the US presidential elections, President Donald Trump held rallies in battleground states of Michigan, Iowa, and North Carolina today, and planned stops in Georgia and Florida. Biden made an appearance in the closely contested state of Pennsylvania. Biden is set to close his campaign at Pittsburgh, where he made his maiden campaign appearance in April 2019. After attacking the mail-in ballot system through his campaign, President Donald Trump said he is gearing up for the legal challenges. Trump अभी से कह रहे हैं कि अगर कुछ गड़बड़ी हो, counting of the mail में या absentee votes in Pennsylvania, it's going to be a terrible thing, and he will go to the Supreme Court. So this is going to be very important. अब कोई भी जीतता है, whether these people will go to the court for the recounting or not, we don't know. In the national polls, Trump continues to trail by 40 with a 42% chance as compared to 51% for the Biden. 42% chance है जो कि exit poll ने बताया है Mr. Trump to win, while 51% chance है for Biden, according to the latest Reuters poll. Similarly, a New York Times poll showed that Joe Biden holding a clear advantage over 4 important swing states: Wisconsin, Pennsylvania, Florida, and Arizona. इस 4 स्टेट में clear advantage है Joe Biden को. Biden's electoral positions appears to put him in a stronger position than any presidential candidate since 2008. Electoral position Biden की काफी ज़्यादा strong है. Meanwhile, Indian American supporters of both Mr. Donald Trump and Democratic rival Joe Biden on Sunday intensified their campaigns, particularly in battlegrounds against a community member. So we are not sure whether Indian Americans. So this is what the source says. Trump threatens to fire Fauci in rift with disease experts. So if Mr. Trump is re-elected, Mr. Fauci will be gone, who is the national expert for the COVID-19. Trump indicates gearing up the legal battle against prolonged vote count. So Trump indicates that US President Donald Trump says that he has denied that he is planning to prematurely declare victory after the presidential polls are over on Tuesday, and hinted that he is gearing up for a legal battle against a vote count that is stressed past election day. So this is how the things are moving in, and tomorrow evening or tomorrow late night India time, say maybe Wednesday morning, we'll be knowing that who is going to win. A tough campaign in the shadow of pandemic. It's going to be a tough campaign. अगर ये pandemic कोरोना ना होता तो मोस्टली ये देखा गया है कि जो राष्ट्रपति होता है अमेरिका का, वो रिपीट करता है, चाहे डेमोक्रेट का हो चाहे उसका हो. So there are few things, important things which is happening, and this is going to be a very interesting campaign or interesting election. So I finished my talk today, or rather thought process analysis, by saying that whosoever wins, we don't know. But there's a very interesting thing which I want to share now. अबाउट द राशि, एक डॉक्टर शंकर चरण त्रिपाठी हैं, ही हैज शोन, उन्होंने डेट ऑफ बर्थ के हिसाब से राशिफल निकाला है दोनों का, मिस्टर जो बिडेन का और मिस्टर डोनाल्ड ट्रंप का। तो डोनाल्ड ट्रंप 14 जून 1946 को 10:54 पे बॉर्न है अमेरिका में, जबकि मिस्टर जो बिडेन का पूरा नाम है जोसेफ रॉबिनेट बिडेन जूनियर, ये 20 नवंबर 1942 को ये बॉर्न है। अकॉर्डिंग टू हिज सिग्नेचर उन्होंने राशिफल बनाया है, और राशिफल के हिसाब से डोनाल्ड ट्रंप हैविंग अ क्लियर ascendant Leon and placement of Sun in the 10th house along the dragon head, that is gives him the upper hand to repeat second time as president of America because he has an exalted Jupiter to combine with Sun. तो राशिफल जो बनाया है उसके हिसाब से डोनाल्ड ट्रंप shall retain the office of president of America second time. He wins by 4 lakhs votes minimum and 9 lakhs maximum, but Trump shall be repeating and managing, shall be blamed for managing and hacking the votes. तो ये राशिफल के हिसाब से, तो जो कि डॉक्टर शंकर चरण त्रिपाठी, इनसे मैं टेलीफोन पे बात करूंगा, इन्होंने जो बताया है, ही इज फ्रॉम इलाहाबाद, इन्होंने कहा है कि मिस्टर ट्रंप इज गोइंग टू बी द क्लियर विनर अकॉर्डिंग टू राशिफल जो उन्होंने बनाई है, बट ही विल बी ब्लेम्ड for managing and hacking the votes. Let's see what's happening tomorrow. Dr. Vivek Gupta from Apollo Hospital, New Delhi, now winding up today a message to the public कि कौन जीतेगा कौन हारेगा। भारत के लिए मैंने कल बताया था दोनों इंपॉर्टेंट हैं। There will be of course for the people, for the climate, हो सकता है उनकी बुद्धि बदल जाए मिस्टर ट्रंप की, बिकॉज क्लाइमेट चेंज को वो बिल्कुल उपहास में लेते हैं। वो कहते हैं कि अर्थ इज नॉट सफरिंग, उनके हिसाब से अमेरिका इज नॉट रिस्पॉन्सिबल फॉर एनी क्लाइमेट प्रॉब्लम्स एंड ही हैज विथड्रॉन फ्रॉम पेरिस क्लाइमेट, जो अभी 3 साल पहले या 2 साल पहले हुआ था, withdrew all the money which was coming from America. So there are few things which are eccentric Mr. Trump, but hopefully even if he wins, and we hope that he will be coming, if he comes back to power, he will change his strategy, and at least for the Indian immigrants, especially those who are working, skilled workers, वो शायद पॉलिसी में चेंज लाएं। और दूसरा, क्लाइमेट चेंज के लिए तो उनको चेंज करना ही पड़ेगा अपनी बुद्धि को, अदरवाइज द अर्थ इज गोइंग टू सफर एंड वी डोंट वांट दैट। थैंक यू वेरी मच डॉक्टर विवेक गुप्ता फ्रॉम अपोलो हॉस्पिटल न्यू दिल्ली। आई वाज जस्ट ट्राइंग टू टेल यू अ फ्यू थॉट प्रोसेस और दिल की बात अबाउट यूएस इलेक्शंस on 2nd November, and tomorrow we'll be watching this results in the late evening. Thank you.